In this video, we're looking at the drawing tools for Screencastify Editor. To turn them on, you simply go to your extension where you would normally start a recording. Click on Show More Options and ensure that they are ticked into the orange on position before you start your recording. Once you start your recording, those tools will show up at the bottom left. I have noticed, just as a side note, that sometimes they disappear when you go to other tabs, but they are right here. So I think they're intended to be recording on whatever tab you happen to be on. So just as a side note. But anyways, during the videos, a couple things. Those drawing tools also provide a shortcut for pausing and playing the recording. In other words, stopping your recording without ending the whole thing, and then allowing you to record again. Switching to your mouse pointer, using the pen tool, erasing things that you've written across the top of the video screen, and then embedding your webcam on and off. So here's my webcam. I'm going to go ahead and add that in. Notice that even within that, I can flip-flop my camera inside of there, make it full screen, move it around the video. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. Here's my drawing tools. So if I were on this page about the Rafflesia arnoldi, which is the largest plant on Earth, the largest flowering plant, I should say, with the smell of unpleasant and decaying flesh, rather than me just saying it as an instructional thing, just like I would do, reading and viewing things in class without a video, I would want to be drawing attention to certain things. So I can use this during my video to go ahead and circle, highlight, and whatnot. I can choose different colors if I'm choosing, you know, if this is a grammar thing, for example, if I want to highlight the adjectives in um, in the sentences with one color, and then maybe the nouns in another, whatever it might be. You have these drawing tools available to you while you are doing your instruction. Okay. Under the mouse pointer options, we also have focus mode. This will darken the screen and allow us to focus in on certain things. So whether it's me reading or me focusing in on certain parts of an image that we might be looking at, it helps get rid of unnecessary brightness, colorations, distractions, and helps us really and obviously bring light to certain pieces of things on our screen. We also can hide our cursor when it's not being moved, so then it just disappears. And then as soon as I move, it reappears. And the highlighter clicks. So when this is on, whenever I click on things, I get a nice orange circle. So again, all of this has value in allowing the educator to bring attention to things rather than just talking about them as you're showing the video and moving even just the cursor around. It adds an even greater option for emphasis for us. So now then, the only other piece that I want to add to this is simply that you can view keyboard shortcuts as you were doing this. So if I go to my Screencastify here, click on the three bars and go to Options. And if I go down to Keyboard Shortcuts, I can view the Drawing Tools shortcuts. I have noticed that there are already existing shortcuts for Windows devices that might have some conflict with these. But I noticed that you can configure your recording shortcuts here and see what those are and adjust them as needed. So there you go. There's your Screencastify drawing tools. Try them out, mess around with them. But most importantly, as you use them, think about the value that it can add to your instructional video content. Thank you.